Well, that little clip you just saw, I just did an experiment with the microphone that has a little fuzzy thing on the Osmo. It didn't work. It didn't record what I was trying to tell you. So what I was trying to tell you was that picture and what you've been seeing with the hot, humid, sort of milky skies goes with this picture coming up from the Weather Service. And this is all from sands blowing off the Sahara Desert, which you're like, Sahara Desert, Bahamas? Yeah, but that's how it is. And that sand coming, it did this last year too. What did it last, for about a week or so? 2 weeks? I don't know. But it did it last year. And you wouldn't think, we're not exactly right down the street from the Sahara Desert. But the way the winds blow, it brings it in, and it's just fine stuff, blows all in the air. Good part is, it inhibits hurricanes, but we're a little early for that anyway. So, but that's the same route that hurricanes come. Hurricanes come off the Sahara Desert, they come off by the Cape Verde Islands. If the water is warm enough, they build up steam, and then hopefully they fizzle out before they get here. But that's where they come from. Dust and hurricanes. Sahara Desert. Ooh, it just went down one. It's down to 93 now. Must be a cold front.
Something like that.
Okay, just finished a video. Got that done. It's good. I think this afternoon, even with that cold front coming, could be just a breeze. Who knows? But I think we're going to end up going for a swim this afternoon. We're going to brave it, I think. I think the water is only in the mid-80s, but it's still got that little chill when you get in, but we're going to do it. Then after that, I'm not sure what the rest of the day is going to be. It's Sunday, so it's been sort of one of those days that we do a little this, we do a little that, hopefully going to the beach, but it's going to be hot at the beach in the full sun. I can guarantee you that. So the walking thing might also require a lot of walk, 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 jump in. Walk, 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 jump in. So that's this afternoon, I think. Well, Sid and I have been waiting to go do a walk, but as you can see, it's kind of black over there. Now, I don't know. That could be actually quite a ways out to sea, or it could be coming, but I don't feel like getting caught in downpouring rain, I suppose, but would be. Maybe we'll go anyway. Just take the GoPro, not the phone. There's a mockingbird couple that's trying to build a nest right in the crotch where that light is. And the poor little guy, he brings in these sticks, the wind picks up, the sticks blow away. Then he tries, he gets a little farther, but it's not a good location. You're going to have hard-boiled eggs over there. Okay, remember a little while ago what that looked like? Well, we went down to the beach, went for a walk. It rained a little over there, nothing major by any means, and it's gone. So, I don't know. One of these days we got to get rain. Just hopefully not. It'd be better if it was just little by little, not poured for a straight day, 2 days, that kind of thing, because we need it to go slow, absorb, and then a couple days. I did a couple little calibration things with the drone. It didn't change its beginning part. You still got to fiddle with it, but as you can see from the next footage, it still goes fine. It's still shooting fine. It's just that initial little part. I had to cut the flight short though. I couldn't show you that because I'm out over the water towards that sailboat, and this bird comes out and he's like hovering right around the thing, and I'm like, great. So it still works, and it's going to land in the ocean because a bird attacks it. And I think that was a mockingbird, wasn't it? It didn't.
So.
Yeah. I think it was a mockingbird. So I was like, okay, as soon as we saw the bird, we pulled back and tried to get away from him. And once we were out of his area, so to speak, he left us alone, and then I came back. But there was a time I wanted to film a place up near Harbor Island, and there was a big osprey's nest up there, and I was like, there's no way I'm doing it with an osprey. He's liable to grab that thing and whing, flip it. So, I don't know. We'll continue testing this week. So it's still doing that play with it thing. You got to play with the gimbal to get it to line up right. See, that's what it does. And then you sort of, and then she fixes herself. I don't know. A whole bunch of things with the drone, you know, more testing. It had one funny thing where it was way up in the air and it started giving me warnings like I was too close to something. It was close to nothing. So that's a little strange, but I mean, I flew it quite a ways away, far enough I couldn't see it. It came back, did all kinds of different little things with it, put it through course lock and other features, and I just don't know. It just makes me nervous because I rely on it so much. But I guess we're gonna have to make a decision before too long.